grasses have an amazing amount of variety, and if you know just a few things to look for, you'll be able to identify your grasses too. So let's start off first with the inflorescence. Now I know you might say that you're in a grazed or you're in a mowed system, but every now and again you're going to get an inflorescence. And there's so many different types of inflorescences. They can be wide open or they can look almost very spike-like. So make note of what you have. Then as you move down the plant itself, you're going to come to the collar of the leaf, and that's at the very end of that leaf blade. That collar holds a lot of information, and if it's mowed or grazed, that's exactly what you want to look at. And so you're going to pull that leaf back and look for the ligule. That ligule is going to be at the end of that leaf, and it's going to be hairy, it's going to be membranous, or it's going to be missing, something like that, and make note of it. Also here at this collar, they could have auricles. And what are auricles? Auricles are just finger-like projections right at that area that might be clasping around the stem. And so you want to make note of that too. Also look at the tip of your leaf to see if it's boat-shaped. That'll help with identifying certain grasses too. So go down the rest of the stem, note anything that's hairy. Maybe cut open the stem to see if the leaf buds are rolled in there, or if it's flattened. That's what we call vernation. And before you go away from your plant, dig up some of it. See if it's got a rhizome or maybe something above ground called a stolon, or it's just a bunch grass. Either way, if you can't figure out what your grass is, make sure you send us some information or pictures in those areas, and we can help you get those identified.